Hello everyone, myself Sunena Singh, your social science teacher. Today I am going to explain you NCERT History Chapter 1 Nationalism in India. Learning outcome of this chapter is critically think about how the advent of Mahatma Gandhi turned around the political movement in India. Develop citizenship through understanding the contribution of the common man in the anti-colonial movement in India. Enhance their communication skills by debating on how common mass of people contribute to the growth of nationalism and patriotism. When we talk about patriotism, it is related to the mentality which always think about the security and pride of the nation. Introduction. In this first video, I am going to explain these topics. Nationalism means someone's devotion towards nation. This chapter pick up the story from the 1920s and the study of non-cooperation movement and civil disobedience movement. It will help us to know how different social groups participated in the movement. Content included in this video are the First World War, second, the idea of Satyagraha. In India, as in Vietnam and many other colonies, the growth of modern nationalism is intimately connected to the anti-colonial movement. People began discovering their unity in the process of their struggle with colonialism. The sense of being oppressed under colonialism provided a shared bond that tied many different groups together. Question related to this introductory part is, why growth of anti-nationalism in the colonies is linked to anti-colonial movement? The first main topic is start with the First World War and time period is 1914 to 18 of First World War. After the war, there were some strategies which is adopted by the British government in India that raise anger among Indian society. So what new political and economic situation created after First World War in India? We are going to discuss this topic here. The First World War created a new economic and political situation. Increase in defense expenditure due to war led to the increase in taxes and custom duties were raised and income tax was introduced. Through the war year, prices increased, doubling between 1913 to 1918, leading to extreme hardship for common people. Like the something which we purchase 1 rupee after the war, that same thing now we have to pay double. So this is not easy for common people after war. Villages were called upon to supply soldiers and the forced recruitment in rural area caused widespread anger. Means young generation from village recruit in the army and they were sent outside a strange land to fight in support of British army. That is not a part of Indian people. So this is the another reason of the anger among common people. Next, then in 1918 to 21, crop failed, acute shortage of food accompanied by an influenza, which is an epidemic. So people faced lot of problem. Census 1921, 12 to 13 million people perished as a result of famine and the epidemic. So total death between 12 to 13 million according to the census report of 1921. Question related to this. This question we have seen in number of time in board exam. Explain new economic and political situation created in India during the First World War. The idea of Satyagraha. Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in January 1915 from South Africa, from where he had successfully fought the racist regime with a novel method of mass agitation, which he called Satyagrah. Meaning of Satyagrah: Satya means truth, and Agraha means the request. If you request the person to fulfill your demand once, twice, thrice, then finally you win your battle. This is the philosophy of Mahatma Gandhi, which is based on non-violence. The idea of Satyagraha emphasized the power of truth and the need to search for truth. It suggested if the cause was true and struggle was against injustice, the physical force was not necessary to fight the oppressor. Mahatma Gandhi believed that this dharma of non-violence could unite all Indians. Question related to this topic is: explain the idea of Satyagraha according to Mahatma Gandhi. Satyagraha movement led by Mahatma Gandhi in different places. 1916 Champaran, Bihar, movement of indigo planters. This is true story that Britishers wants Indian farmers to grow indigo, and indigo is a kind of crop. If once grows in the field, that is not good enough for other crop. So farmers don't want to grow this crop in their field. So Mahatma Gandhi in 1916 went Champaran in Bihar and supported peasant against to the indigo planters. Then the second, 1917, Kheda district of Gujarat, peasant satyagraha. Due to the crop failure, Kheda district of Gujarat peasants not able to pay revenue, and they are demanded to the British government to relax in revenue, and Mahatma Gandhi's support to peasants in satyagraha related to this strategy. Third is 1918 Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi led satyagraha movement in support of cotton mill workers category. So these three movement, satyagraha movement led by Mahatma Gandhi. Now we are going to see the places in political map of India. When we talk about the Champaran, it is in Bihar, then Kheda in Gujarat, and Ahmedabad in Gujarat. Question related to this: mark and locate Champaran, Kheda and Ahmedabad on political map of India. Thank you. Have a nice day.